See, one good thing about market correction is we can buy our favorite stock at a very good price. Have you made your list? Market is correcting right now. Let me give you one such stock which you can buy in every minor and major dip. World's leading engineering service provider, multinational company from India, serving industries like automotive, broadcast, communication, healthcare, and transportation. Futuristic company helping customers reimagine their products and services through design, thinking, and technology like Internet of Things, cloud computing, mobility, virtual reality, artificial intelligence. Formed in 1989, spread across globe, major revenue almost 75 coming from US and Europe. Yes, we are talking about Tata Elxsi. Tata Elxsi has a diversified portfolio where it has driverless car project in auto segment. We have all seen the rise of Tata Motors with visible changes in design and technology thanks to Tata Elxsi. It has also provided AI, artificial intelligence and digital learning services to global renowned companies like Amazon, Global, Siemens, Audi, etc. Working on high growth industries like entertainment, expected to register strong business volume in near future. Be it rise of electronic vehicles or producing smart home solutions. Smart home solution is nothing but something like you can operate light, fan, AC, geyser, fridge, etc. with remote control. It is popularly known as Internet of Things also. Maintaining a strong order book year on year is supported by a strong business model it has developed over the time. Ask me in nutshell, Tata Elxsi is no small fish. We can all relate to driving pleasure we get when we sit in a high-end car with loaded infotainment system, parking sensors, voice assistants, safety systems, new age setup box, cloud services, smart apps and OTT platforms, or providing design and technology to brands like Ford, Jaguar, Land Rover, Nissan, Mahindra, Motorola, Comcast, Panasonic. I can go on and on. Long story short, our focus remains the same. Looking for one stock which can give multi-bagger returns for our investments. A lot of people say Tata Elxsi is expensive right now and we'll wait for the price correction to come and then we'll buy it. Let me give you some data. Tata Elxsi last year was hovering somewhere around 3,000 rupees. Right now it has touched all-time high of 9,000 plus and currently hovering somewhere around 8,400 to 600. And year before, in 2020, it was somewhere around 500. Please understand, small and major correction will come and go in the market and they are bound to happen. And stock market is all about this. The idea is to make money. Selecting a stock which has tremendous fundamental, Tata Elxsi is one stock not competing with other companies in stock market. It has its own league. And if you ask me, this stock, according to me, is seriously undervalued considering the kind of business it is in. Technology is what driving us on earth. And Tata Elxsi is sitting on that hot seat with brand name which needs no introduction. My strategy is very simple. Accumulate this stock in minor and major corrections in the market in small quantities and keep it for yourself and for your family. This was a fundamental analysis. Let's go to technical analysis also to check what the chart says. Let's see what Tata Elxsi says on monthly time frame. We can see somewhere around 2020 mid. The breakout happened from 1500 and since then it is going up and up. To take a better look, let's go to weekly chart and see what chart says. See, this is 20 moving average, this is 200 moving average and this is CPI. See, the price action candle is constantly above 20 moving average, constantly above 20 moving average, and this was a time somewhere in late 2021 where the price action candle breached 20 moving average but immediately took a reversal and went back. Again this thing happened, it breached and again took a reversal. Again right now this is a scenario, it touched somewhere around 6500 in a few months back and then again it is up. Even if it comes down, see, please understand the concept first. This is 20 moving average and this is a price action candle. The rule says whenever the price action candle is above 20 moving average, the stock, a particular stock or a market will give a bullish view. Yeah, and whenever it goes down from 20 moving average, it is giving a bearish view. Yeah, so we can see, just a second, we can see these three time price action candle of Tata Elxsi tried to breach 20 moving average but immediately took a reversal from here. I told you have to buy the stock in dip, major or minor correction. So whenever you see a minor or major correction coming, touching this or breaching this, buy some quantities. Again, if you see something happen, inflation is already at its peak and a lot of stocks are going down. Not Tata Elxsi has not gone down yet. Still, we really don't know. It is market and anything can happen. If you see a correction happening in Tata Elxsi, you really don't know till to what extent the correction will happen. Buy in phases. This is one stock which will be a future gold investment for you. So this is 200 moving average, and there are very few stock right now because a lot of stocks have taken a big correction because of this downturn market. Lot of stocks are performing under 200 moving average. There is one more concept, 200 moving average. Whenever you see price action candle above 200 moving average, that is a signal of buying that particular stock, and whenever it is down, you should avoid that stock because it will not give you upside move whenever you're thinking of buying some stock for trading or investment. So look at the gap here, look at the gap. You will not be able to see such a gap in other stocks. You can try this 200 moving average. I hope you really like my video, and if you like, please like and subscribe guys. Thank you so much.